House. It's your girl Karen, and today I'm coming to you with a Pixie short style. I'm going to show you guys how I do my Pixie style. It is maintenance day, and it's time for me to shampoo, condition, and style my hair. Today is really hot, so I just finished up a client. I'm in the salon. I'm actually done for the day. So you guys have been asking me all about my short pixie cut, although I've put up numerous videos of how I do my hair. But I guess this is for the new guys, or maybe you don't go back and look. But I'm gonna ask you please to subscribe if you're a newbie. Hey now. And if you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. So today we're gonna get into my maintenance day of how I maintain my short pixie cut. I did cut my hair down really short last week. So if you notice the change between last week, how my hair got really short is because I cut it really short. Yes, I do style, cut, and create this pixie cut on myself. I am a licensed professional cosmetologist. I also am a salon owner, so I know what I'm doing. I'm just not on here at home doing some stuff. I'm at the salon doing things, okay? So y'all should listen to me. Okay. And if you want book appointments, come on in. So let's get to this video. Now I'm going in with my moisture shampoo by Joico. This is what I use. I just wanted to show you guys what the bottle looks like, and this is the conditioner, and that's the bottle. That's what it looks like. You know, if you need to take a picture, whatever, do so. Joico is the best. It adds moisture to your hair, and I've been using it for a really long time in my back bar, and I absolutely love it. Now I've shampooed my hair, I conditioned it. You saw that I only shampooed it once because I previously shampooed my hair Saturday, so my hair is kind of clean. But I usually go in and I shampoo it 2 or 3 times, and I follow up with a conditioner. Now, I am relaxed and happy, so I do like to use this K18, which is a keratin building. It's just a hair mask. I throw this in to make my hair stronger so my hair won't break out because I am relaxed. So this is something that I like to incorporate with my shortcuts when they're relaxed, and especially when they have color. This K18 saves lives. And then I'm gonna go in with my Honey Almond Mousse by Influence. This is a Black-owned company. I live by their products. Everything I use basically is Influence on my clients. I love it. So you're gonna see me saturate it really good or really well. This is gonna help me mold my hair really, It's gonna help me mold my hair really tight. I like a really tight mold. Don't ask me why I keep my sideburns so long. I love sideburns. I give all my clients sideburns. They be mad at me like, girl, cut this off. I'm like, I like it though. Yeah, they be getting on me. So now I'm gonna go in. I got it all smoothed out. And also I do have gray hair, so I do color my hair black, like jet black. I like it as black as it could get. But Ness is gonna go in and make some waves. And do my front. I'm smelling the K18 in my hair. It smells so good. So let me not scrunch my face up. I always have a really hard time with this side. Sorry, I kicked the camera. Stop moving, stop moving. I always have a really hard time with this side for some reason. It's like, it has a mind of its own, child. Look, it just don't want to do right. All right, there we go, a little sign. It'll do. And I'm just gonna brush my hair down. And then, ooh, I don't really like this right here. So I'm gonna go in and fix that because that's so ugly. Like, ugh. A little better. I'm gonna hit it with some, I love black Xanax. I know to each his own, everybody likes different things, but I love black Xanax. Like the white, I've tried the white. I don't like it, but I do feel like the white may be a bit sturdier. But I don't know. Black just looks more professional, more clean. And I just love black. Plus I'll be needing black when I do my wig caps too, so. All right, to the dryer. Make sure I got every piece. Sometimes I like to do it like all over, but I'm trying to get out of here, so we're not gonna put any in the top because that takes longer dryer time. Okay, to the dryer. I'm all done from under the dryer, and this is what my hair comes out and looks like. All good and molded. Now I'm going to show you my no mold, well, no heat method. I have this Thermaseal by Influance, and also I'm going to link everything down where you can go purchase, go on my website and get the items. And I use the Thermaseal to lock in moisture, and it also silkens out my curls. But since I'm not curling it, it just helps smooth out my hair. It locks in moisture, and I sweat, so it acts as a water repellent, and it helps my hair revert when I sweat. So I'm gonna take my wax stick, which this is Bedhead. But I am working on my own Pixie stick. I'm calling it the Pixie stick. So you see how this just helped me smooth that down, form my waves. So I'm just going to just form my waves more, get them more in depth, and see. Just get them more like nice and neat. Like the wax makes it really nice and neat. It lays down everything. Even if you wanted to take it and smooth out your sides, you can do that as well. And then I'll take a little bit of my pink moisturizer, and you can get that on Amazon, or you can go down to your local beauty supply. I will link the Amazon link if you can't find it. And this is just Influence also. It smells so good. It's just a holding firm spray that just keeps my hair in place, and that's all it consists of. Now sometimes I do go in like and comb it out with my finger. See how it just makes it like, and then if I wanted to like pick it out a little bit, you know, just mold it into like some kind of form, and that's what it does. Like, and then I just wrap my little wrap around, and that's it. And I can go about my business, look cute, put a cute outfit on, throw some makeup on, and this could be a look. It's effortless. You don't have to do anything else to your hair. Just tie it up every night. This lasts for about a good week, depending on if you sweat or not. You can last this for a week, and you can just repeat this over and over again throughout the summer. It is a great style. You just have to keep your cut up. Once the cut is there, the cut will do all the work. Now I'm gonna go in and show you me. This will be coming out soon. But right now they're by Red Pro, and I will link it down. You can get them on Amazon. I'm trying to like develop my own Pixie stick. So sorry, I will link that down below so you guys can go get that. Very small, see? Very easy. So if I'm curling my hair, I'm gonna comb out everything, and I'm gonna comb my hair in the direction that I want to curl it. So I'm gonna have to move you guys over here. So I can see myself. I can see myself like curl my hair. All right, cool. So we have the Pixie stick, and so what I'm going to do, I'm going to start combing my hair in the direction that I want my hair to look. So I usually start in the back here and just comb my hair like in a little C formation, and I start a pattern from the top of my head, and I just follow the curl pattern until it's all curled. This is the finished look. Now I'm on to my date night with hubby, and I will see you guys. Bye.